Having healthy finances can maintain your marriage happy and the future of your kids bright. Hello my friends, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mehmet Kara and I have finished accounting, and I started this YouTube channel in March this year to follow my road to financial independence. This channel is all about personal finance and investments. Today's video is dedicated to couple finances and joining your budget. I myself got married in August this year. This is why the topic is so close to me, and I decided to make a research on this topic and to share this with you. Make sure to watch this video till the end to get my bonus tip for fresh married couples. So, how do we combine our finances and budget as a couple? The first name that comes in mind, and when you do a research on YouTube, is Dave Ramsey. So I decided to summarize his 5 most important rules about family budgeting. On the first place, create a budget and write it down. It doesn't matter if it's written or on a spreadsheet, but you have to have a written budget. Rule number 2, get out of debt. This is the next step after budgeting. Then live on less than you earn and save the rest. So saving is the 4th rule, and the 5th rule is be generous. I will link the video of Dave Ramsey in the description below. By the way, doing this kind of video takes a lot of time, so please support me by smashing the like button, as every like counts, and this will help also YouTube show you another useful videos about personal finance. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel. But I wanted to dig deeper into this topic. This is why I will add some principles to Dave Ramsey's one. On the first place, forget about me and her or him. Always you have to talk like we, because after the marriage you're one entity. So if I can say like this. So instead of saying I want to buy this and she wants to buy something else, you have to say we decided to buy this to my husband, or we decided to buy this laptop to my wife because we know it's important for her. You have to rebalance between your ego and your mutual finances, and this is the key for success when talking in general. So now go to the rules step by step. Sit down with your spouse and talk with her or him about your plans. It's very important to have clear objectives which are discussed before the marriage even. So ask her or him about when do you want to retire, how do you want to retire, do you want to live in a countryside or do you want to live in a rural area, how many kids do you want, what is the legacy that do you want for your kids. So all of these topics are so important to be discussed at the beginning of your marriage or even before that. So it's important to have a clear vision and consensus about these topics. When creating your budget, there are 3 main principles that you have to implement and to be aware of them. First of them, be realistic. On the second place, plan for unexpected events, because the future holds some dangers also ahead of us, like COVID situation this year. So plan some flexibility into your budget. And on the third place, be goal oriented. So second step, be fully transparent to your spouse. You don't want her or him to discover some hidden money that you have and you didn't tell her, because she will feel betrayed for sure. And the same goes on for the loans that you have. You should always tell your wife or husband from the beginning and be clear that you have those loans, because now they become mutual for you both. Number 3, create an emergency fund. If you don't have one, now is the perfect time to create your emergency fund. But if you already have an emergency fund, now it's time to increase it, because now someone else is relying on you. So this is a major change in your life. And fourth step, think about things like your final will and your health and life insurances. That way you know that even if something happens to you, your family will be safe financially. In conclusion, I can say that your family will be as strong in achieving financial goals when and only when you work together in the same direction. For me personally, me and my wife have accepted a hybrid system. So this means we have a mutual budget when our finances go in one place, and they are used to pay things like utility bills and all of the usual expenses. But we do have some personal accounts, which are smaller amount of course, which we can spend how we want. On this way I don't have to ask for money for my wife to buy her a gift. So what is your experience with family budgeting? Let me know in your comments below. Are you still watching? Now is the time for my final bonus tip as promised. This one is save on taxes. There are some simple tweaks that can add some money to your family budget. Filling in the right status can save you a lot of money, because we are overpaying on taxes, so there is no reason to be too generous to Uncle Sam. Study your tax laws in your country, and I'm sure that you will find a lot of measures that are to support married couples, so make sure to make use all of them. Stay healthy and see you again with my next video.